My channel. My name is Elizabeth. I am the owner of Creations by Eliza D, which this channel is named after. And if you want to go check out my Etsy, the link will be down below. So we are going to talk about installing fonts on your MacBook, your MacBook Air, your iMac, and then later on in a different video, we will talk about installing them on your iPad, which is a little bit different. You do need an app, but I will teach you how to do that in a later video. So last video we talked about design bundles. They're a really good website for dollar deals, and if you want to subscribe, you can get the plus points for, I believe it's $11.99. They do have a lower one, but I'm not sure what that one gives you. So Creative Fabrica, I have the all access subscription. I believe it's $19.99. These green check marks means it's basically free for me because I paid up front every month. And so this one, I really like it just because it's free and I don't have to pay extra for designs that I want. So this is just recommendations for me. Let's see what recommendations for fonts they give me. Ooh, so this one's super cute. Almond butter, that one's cute. Let's look at this one and Bella. I'll install this one because if you like these type of fonts where some keyboard symbols will give you different type of swirlies or doodles, this one's great. And another good one is I Love Glitter. I already downloaded that one, but it's super good. And it's super cute to do like tiles with or water bottles. So I love Glitter. And it's by Misty. So this is the one that you'll want to get, which is super cute. Okay, so I'm going to download this one and I'm going to make sure that Cricut is closed. Just because if you download it while Cricut is open, it won't download or it won't install your font into Cricut. So I'm going to double click this, and it doesn't matter which one you install into your Mac. The .otf and the .ttf, I don't think it matters. I've done either or, but I will double click on this one and it just opens it. So this little pop-up window will come up and basically it will show you like the regular what's going to be installed. It's not installed yet, see here. So we're just going to install the font. And then it brings up my fonts and it will show you which font you just installed. Sometimes it won't update and you'll just have to search for it, but yes, I have a whole bunch of fonts. So this one, so go into this, switch to preview mode, and then you can see, let's do 12, oh, that's a little too small, 24. So these are all the fonts you can do. So here it tells you if you put this in, you'll get this. If you put the plus, you'll get this. Yeah, it shows you how to do the connecting swash and all that stuff. So this is like something you can do. This would be cute on a sign, t-shirt, tote bag, stuff like that. Whatever you want to put it on, you can. So I'm going to open up Cricut now, hit text, and look for what it's called. So I'm just going to search in here. And then open it up. So let's do Elizabeth and space Abby, which is my dog's name. So I want to do the heart and, so we're going to do a plus here, but no spaces in between. So it all kind of connects. And this looks weird, so I'm going to change it to a lowercase a, so it kind of swashes together. And then do, oh, that's cute. I don't know what that's called, but, or if I do this bracket, this bracket, it's a little swash, and then if I do it the same over here, that's cute. So that's how you would install that font and do those swashes. The good thing about the Creative Fabrica and the Design Bundles, or the Font Bundles, which is Design Bundle's sister site, is these are commercial licenses. So if I purchase this one or I download it, it includes a commercial license.